Yeah, so hey guys, welcome back to another video of me trying to pass the top step combine challenge. So this is a trade that I took on 2nd of January, the new year. Of course, on the 1st of January, the market closed and it opened on 2nd of January. So yeah, let's just get right straight into it. So this is how it looked before the market opened. So I had this buy side liquidity marked, and I have over like a sell side liquidity marked. And here you can see the market open. So then I see it's just a top step X account, so it doesn't have a replay bar mode or anything like that. So I can just go back and show you candle by candle execution. But I do have my trades recordings, which I'll show. But I just wanted to give you a brief. Why did I took this trade? So what happened was, as we can see, the market open, the price moved lower, and then I was just waiting for either side, either buy side or sell side liquidity get taken out, so that and then we can after market shift structure look for imbalances or fair value gap, and then once market tap into the fair value gap, and then we can just place an entry. Yeah, so it happened exactly like that. So what happened was, so market open, consolidated a bit, and then the market just went up, straight went up and took out the buy side liquidity. Now I was just waiting for market to shift structure to the downside and give me a fair value gap. And yeah, so what happened was, so market took the buy side liquidity, as you can see, and then market over here, if you see the MSSS market shift structure over here, and then here was a fair value gap. So usually what happens is you just take an entry at the on the tap of the fair value gap. But since, according to me, I found this since it was price was 25,756, and if I take an entry here, my stop loss would be somewhere around, let's see, if we go for the high, will be 25,803. I found this a little bit bigger. I thought it's going to be a very big stop. So what I did was I took out my equilibrium, and then I did it, and I placed my sell limit order at the 50% of the equilibrium. So that's what how ICT does it. They just look for at equilibrium of 50%, because they say that if you're gonna sell it, the price need to go trace at least 50% back to go to the premium side. Obviously, you want to sell at the premium price. So I placed my limit order at 50% of the equilibrium, and then here's my trade. So yeah, so market tapped into the equilibrium, my entry got triggered, and then here was 2R. So I took partials at 2R, and I was still aiming for the sell side liquidity. So price came down at 2 when it hit 1:2. I took out some partials, and then when price took out this sell side liquidity, and then I again booked partials, and I want to book another partials over here. But since I only had one micro running, so I just wanted to leave that runner, so just to see how much, the maximum I can squeeze. So I squeezed somewhere around, I held it a lot. It was like around a 25 minutes trade, or somewhere around that. So it was a very nice trade. I booked around I think, yeah, 7.73 hours. So it was a banger of the day. So yeah, let's just get right into the video, and I'll show you my trade, how it went. Also, there was an SMT. If you look at the ES chart, you will see ES is a 5 minute chart. If you see that 5 minute running candle broke the highs, and yeah, so I'll just speed up the trade now.
Got a monster inside of me. You better watch out if you ignite me's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me. And he gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score. Never getting bored, loves the blood and gore. Always wanting more freedom from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force departed. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you left scars ripped. You'll be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
So yeah, I just kept pushing my target lower and lower and kept trailing it. But here my trailing stop loss was hit. So I was up on I think somewhere around 1250 on the day, and I risked somewhere around, I think, 300 something dollar. I think it was less than 350. 300 something dollars I risked, and I made a profit of 1250 dollars. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated with the combine and show you guys how it goes. And yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching the video, guys, and please do make sure to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.